Hey guys, and welcome to the push notifications web app review. Okay, this is obviously a web app, web-based push notifications software. It has some unique features like all of the bots that they will have. They have a Telegram bot, Skype bot. They will have a Facebook Messenger bot that they announced. I think it was just around April 26th, I believe they will release that. Okay, so Telegram, Skype. Telegram is, by the way, a mobile app for messaging, so you can send notifications via the mobile app. So it's like a chat inside inside your mobile, like WhatsApp or something like that. Another awesome feature here is the sequences, which will allow you to actually set up your autoresponder for your notifications. And another great thing is that it will allow you to create sort of like let's go into this so we can see what I mean. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can create this is just test sequence, and you can then branch them to or segment people who have clicked or not clicked on your notification. So you can say something like in this push notification, you can create a title or the description saying, hey, you want to know how to build your list or something like that, and then segment them on the ones who have clicked the notification and the ones who haven't. So the only thing I don't like here is when you go into the creating, the minimum or the maximum of what you can select here is 12 hours. The delay of the next notification, the maximum is 12 hours, the minimum is I think 1 hour. So if I go here and I want to like create it, of course this is blank, but it says time delay, wrong format, minimum 1 minute, maximum 12 hours. Okay, so you can't delay it more than 12 hours. Okay, you can segment them. It's a really cool feature. You can segment them or segment people who have clicked and not clicked. So for example, you can say here, great, you can watch your first video, or segment them over here who have not clicked and say something like, why haven't you watched the video here, or just a reminder that you have free training on how to build your list or something like that, and then segment people who have clicked or not. Okay, so let's say we created a new sequence over here. You can select your image over here. This name, the name over here is just for you, so you can write anything you want, just for your reference here. And the title and the text is what they will be seeing. Of course, you can choose where to redirect them, your link here, and choose your list. Of course, you can choose multiple lists here, which is cool, and you can add filters. You can select the language that you want, if you want to filter it by language, or you can send it to subscribers who have clicked or not clicked on your previous notifications. So I'm just going to remove the filters over here for the sake of this review and click create. And here you can see the sequence that we have just created. If you click on the title over here, it will take you back to the settings that we were just previously at. If you click on sequences, it will bring you to this sort of like a mind map. So you can create your messages based on the people who have clicked or not clicked. You have a list of messages here. And if you go to settings, you can set for instant broadcast to send out immediately, or set initial message delay, and then you can select on what day and what time you want your first message to appear. So this is basically, it can be like a welcome message, and then you can go back to the mind map, the sequences, and set your the rest of the messages and delay for them. Of course, what I've just previously shown you, the minimum is 1 minute, the maximum is 12 hours between the messages. So these were sequences. The first thing you want to do if you just want regular notifications is to go to lists, and you have a web and a Facebook lists. This is the Pro upgrade, the OTO1, which allows you to send Facebook notifications, what you see on the top right corner on your Facebook account. So for now, let's go to the web, and you create new list, and you have to choose your domain here, or subdomain, which you don't have to use. You can just embed your notifications on your website, and it doesn't have to do anything to do with the push response. So let's just type something here for the sake of the review, and you can time out before show. So you can choose how many seconds it will load up after they land on your page, the redirect URL. So I'm going to be sending my visitors to Disneyland, and this is where you want a banner position, or the notifications, the little box that pops up where you want them on your desktop to show and on your mobile. It would be good if this could be separately selected, so you can see if I go here, the mobile also changes. So let's just go to the middle, choose the way to edit, customize, or template. I went on the template, and here I'm just going to leave this. This is where you will put your title, the OK button text, so this over here, cancel button text, this here. The sample title, it will be displayed here. The image will be displayed here, and and so on. Yeah, I'm going to just choose an image here because I have one ready, and I'm going to click create. And as you can see, it was successfully created. You can go to customize pop-up, which will go back to edit, and you can go to response script, which will give you two links. So this is the direct link that you can copy and just paste in your browser if you don't want to use your web page. So you can click allow over here, and it will say you have successfully subscribed to notifications from Disneyland test, and it will redirect to the Disneyland page. Okay, so this second first link, if you copy it, is for embedding into your web pages. So I have created here the push response test page on my blog, and I'm just going to go, I use InstaBuilder for my pages. I'm just going to choose like a template over here, and I'm going to insert the HTML element into the page. Okay, here we go. And this is where you will paste the code that we have just copied. Save it, and this is what it will look like on your page. Yeah, here we go, and you click OK, and it says that I'm already subscribed because I have just done so previously, but this is just to show you that it works like this too. It works the same exact way on the Facebook notifications. It's just that it will ask you to create your Facebook app first, and then insert your app ID and app secret over here, and there's training on that, so I'm not going to go into that right now. And when you have all set that up, you can go to new notifications, and create your notification the same way here. The picture, the name, just for your reference only, the title, text, link, and choose your lists. And of course you can add filters, and this is cool, you can also add geolocation here. So for example, if you want to target someone in London over here, so you just click the circle here and just create the circle over here, and of course you can then move it, the circle, and resize it by your liking. So there are definitely new features here, like Facebook notifications, Facebook Messenger notification. That means that the difference between the two, the Pro version here, the Facebook notifications will it will show notifications like this one on your Facebook. The Facebook Messenger bot will show messages inside your Facebook, so over here. And of course there's the Skype bot, which will allow you to send messages, notifications via Skype. There's the Telegram bot, which will allow you to send the notifications on the Telegram app. They're also playing the Kick notifications feature also very soon. So these are all great features. I'm going to go into the separate review, the push response versus the push leads review. So I'm just gonna state over in that review, I'm gonna state what I like in each app, in each product, and what I dislike. The thing here I would change is this. I would separate this so I can choose to go the notification, choose to pick where to show my notifications separately on my mobile device and or on my desktop. And on the sequences, I would definitely allow more than 12 hours of delay between sequences. So that's it for this review, and be on the lookout for the push response versus push leads review. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.